The photo is a picture of my parents on their wedding day, Richard and Thelma Prisby. And we talk about how I get to this point. It all began with them in terms of encouragement and support and just investing time in their children. And so we can make many decisions throughout our lives and meet many different people who influence us, but I think that the parents are the greatest influencer. Well, first of all, I decided to pursue a PhD at Kent State University when I was a master's student, and I was encouraged by a new faculty member coming to our department to get involved in research. And from that point on, I switched from a non-thesis track to a thesis track, and then I went on and graduated and went on to get a PhD elsewhere. Yes, research, I found being involved in that experience was very similar to solving puzzles and putting together puzzles, which I always enjoyed. And so I view it as each experiment is just one big problem or puzzle to solve that oftentimes leads to another question to be answered. There probably will never be a definitive answer. It's always the quest for the answer that drives most individuals. It has to be related to passion. You have to get up in the morning and love coming into work and love reading the articles and reading the findings and looking at your data and analyzing the data. And that's what I enjoy about it. So I study the blood vessels inside bone, and I look at vascular function and how it may change with age, advancing age or disease, and how then that contributes to perhaps bone disease. So we're made some recent discoveries in the lab which may be very significant. We're still in the preliminary stages of analyzing the data and confirming our results, but I think it'll be pretty groundbreaking for the field.